Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, let me do first. So, Chirag, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Very good. Sit down. Amrita, what you will read today? Height and distance. Okay. Sit down. So, today we will read about height and distance. Height and distance. It is a very important chapter in trigonometry. And in our last class, I taught you means when the angle will be changed, then the height will be changed, and the length of the base will be changed in a triangle. Remember, last class I gave you 3 different figures like this. Here, suppose I took, here it is A, here it is B, and this is your C. That means when the base will be more, then this is called the what type of angle this is called? When you will look something just above in your eye, that is called angle of elevation, angle of incidence. About the physics you are saying. So this one is called angle of elevation. Means when you are at ground level or you are at bottom position and you will look to somebody or something which is just at some height, then if what the angle you will make with the ground, that is called the angle of elevation. Now if you will look down to the ground to a point, then that is called the angle of depression. That means if you will draw a line, first I am saying this one angle of elevation. So here one tower is there. You are here. So when you will look to the top of the tower, this is called the angle of elevation. When you will look to the bottom of the tower, then this angle, that is called the angle of depression. Angle of depression. Now, if the length will be increased, or if the base will be increased, the base length will be increased, then this angle value will be decreased. If the base will be less, बेस को मैंने यहाँ इतना ये साइज था बेस का, यहाँ मैंने छोटा कर दिया. अगर बेस को छोटा कर दूंगा तो ये जो एंगल, बेस एंगल का वैल्यू ये बढ़ जाएगा या कम हो जाएगा? बढ़ जाएगा. That means, and this is the height. So the base, height and the angles, base angles, they are always very closely related with each other. In our previous class, I said you that sin theta is equal to, I discussed with you about taking this P, B, H. Sin theta is equal to? Very good, P by H. Cos theta is equal to? B by H. Tan theta is equal to? P by B. Which one is the reciprocal of sin theta? Devasis, very good. It is cosec theta. So, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Similarly, what is the reciprocal of cos theta? Sec theta. Good. Then what is the reciprocal of tan theta? Amrita? Cot theta. Wow, very good. So, you know all these things, but in this height and distance chapter, we will apply all these things. That means, if the height will be given, angle theta will be given, then what will be the base? If base is given, angle theta is given, then what will be the height? Just I am giving from myself, I am making a question and I am giving you. Just you. Means in this chapter we will draw the proper figure for a particular question. Then by applying, that is sin theta is equal to p by s or cos theta is equal to p by s, like that. This angle value we can, suppose one question I am just listen. Already I had shared this question to you. So one tree was there, when due to storm, the tree was broken from the middle and tossed to the ground. एक ट्री था, बहुत जोर बता मीन्स हवा आया और यहाँ से ये ब्रोकन हो गया, एंड इट टॉस्ड टू द ग्राउंड एट पॉइंट डी. ओके, एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस फीट फ्रॉम द डिस्टेंस ऑफ फीट ऑफ द ट्री टू द टचिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द ट्री, सपोज इट इज 20 मीटर. And this angle is given, suppose it is 45 degree. My question is now, what is the actual length of the tree? What is the actual length of the tree? Means ये tree का actual length कितना था? जो क्या storm क्या कहते हैं, बतास कहते हैं ना, बतास, storm हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, स्टॉर्म, आंधी, हाँ आंधी. तो कुछ भी हो, तो ड्यू टू द स्टॉर्म द ट्री वॉज ब्रोकन एंड टॉस्ड टू द ग्राउंड मेकिंग एन एंगल 45 डिग्री. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वाज द ओरिजिनल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. ओके, तो ओरिजिनल हाइट, इफ यू कैन नो दिस लेंथ, if you can know this length, then the sum of this and this, that will be the original height of the tree. But remember, here the tree was broken from this point, so here to here part is equal to here part or not? Yes or no? That means CD is equal to AC. So if we can find the value of BC, if we can find the value of CD, then by adding these two we can find the original height of the tree. Understanding? What's the name? Sangram, yes. Okay. So now from triangle CBD, from triangle CBD, this angle is given 45 degree. I need this one. This one means what is this? P. और ये क्या है? What is this? Base, B. Very good. So we need P. We have B. That means what value I will take? Sin or tan. Very good. So from triangle CBD, tan 45, because here angle is given 45. So tan 45 is equal to this one, means CB, P by B, B means BD, that is equal to CB. CB I don't know, so that implies tan 45 value is 1. So 1 is equal to CB by BD. BD is equal to how much given? 20. So that implies CB is equal to 20 into 1. So CB is equal to 20 into 1, that is equal to 20 meter. That means we got this value is 20 meter. Okay. Now next we will find what is CD. Means in this right angle triangle, CD lie as what? Hypotenuse. Very good. So we have base. We need hypotenuse, means B और S को लेकर रिलेशन कौन देता है? B और H को लेकर रिलेशन. वेरी गुड. तो सेम ट्रायंगल, again from same triangle CBD, cos 45 cos 45 is equal to B, base means BD, by H means CD. So that implies cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Devasi, you said 1 by root 2. Okay. So 1 by root 2 is equal to BD means 20 by CD. I don't know, I have to find out. So that implies cross multiplication CD is equal to 20 root 2. 20 root 2. What's the value of root 2? Root 2 का value क्या है? So many times I said you, root 2 is equal to 1.414. Root 3 का value it is 1.732. ये दोनों value तुम्हारा means till your end, till मरते दम तक ये काम पे आएगा, रूट 2 और रूट 3 का वैल्यू। तो सी डी को और भी हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, 20 इंटू रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 1.414। अगेन ये जो 20 आई कैन राइट इट इज 2 इंटू 10 इंटू 1.414। नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू 10 into 1.414, that is equal to that decimal point, it will move right place, one place to right, because I am multiplying a 10. So here you can write it is 2 into 14.14, or that is equal to 28.28. So this length we got, that is 28.28. This length, and also this is CD is equal to this length, because this is the original length of the tree from where it was broken and it is tossed to fit here. That means this length is equal to this length. So CD is equal to CD जो है ये वही है. So this is also equal to 28.28. Now this is 20, this is 28.28. Then what is the total length, original length of the tree? Yes. So therefore original length, original height of tree is equal to 48.28 meter. So like this question you will get in this chapter. And अच्छा देवाशीष, ये जो काइट, डू यू फ्लाई काइट इन द स्काई? कभी गुडी कहते हैं ना, गुडी कभी उड़ाया? ओके, वही गुडी के बारे में एक क्वेश्चन देता हूं, सिट डाउन। तो देवाशीष ने क्या कर रहा था, जो छुट्टी में गांव गया था, देवाशीष, ये है देवाशीष, यहीं से पूरा ग्राउंड में पूरा लौट के गिर के वो मीन से गुड़ी उड़ाता है, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द स्ट्रिंग और दिस इज योर काइट, दिस इज योर काइट। नाउ ही हैज यूज्ड ए स्ट्रिंग, स्ट्रेट स्ट्रिंग, जिसका लेंथ मैंने दे दिया, सपोज इट इज 150 मीटर, 150 मीटर, मेकिंग एन एंगल 30 डिग्री। सो देवाशीष गुड़ी उड़ाता है, ये जो गुड़ी ये थ्रेड है, ये ऐसे थ्रेड छोड़ा है ना, तो ये जो एंगल कितना है, ग्राउंड को मेक करता है 30 डिग्री। माई क्वेश्चन इज, ये जो काइट ये कितना हाइट में, एट व्हाट हाइट द काइट विल फ्लाई इन स्काई, कितना हाइट में ये फ्लाई करेगा। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? दैट मीन्स हियर इन दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, दिस इज योर हाइपोटेन्यूज इज गिवन, वी नीड टू फाइंड व्हाट, पी और एच को लेकर हमें कौन रिलेशन मिलता है? वेरी गुड। तो साइन अप्लाई करो, तो हियर ऑल्सो साइन 30 फ्रॉम द ट्रायंगल शोन, फ्रॉम, यू विल राइट लाइक दिस, from the triangle as shown in figure sin 30 is equal to P by H. But P means we don't know, we have to find out. By H means it is 150. और sin 30 का वैल्यू 1/2. So 1/2 is equal to P by 150. Implies P is equal to 150 by 2, or that is equal to 75 meter. That means the kite will fly at a height of 75 meter from the ground level. Okay. So like this the questions you will get in this chapter. Here these two questions I gave from my mind. Now I am giving from your book. I am just doing 1-2 question. Yes. Here question number 4 which is given in your book. Finished? Question number 4. As for your book which is given in your book, question number 4. Where these chalks have brought, very means it can means ये पूरा खराब कर देगा. ये चॉक बहुत ठीक नहीं है. So the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So एक टावर है. टावर देखा है ना अमृता? कहाँ देखा? कहाँ? सी बीच के पास. अरे ये हमारा जो हाई वोल्टेज जो वायर आता है ना वो भी टावर है ना. सो इसे टावर लाइन इसे कहते हैं. सो एक द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ ए टावर फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड व्हिच इज 30 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम द फुट. सो 30 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम द फुट मीन्स हियर टू हियर इट इज 30 मीटर. ये है टावर. ये टावर का पूरा मिडिल लाइन है. मुझे एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बनाना है. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बनाने को ऑलवेज वी नीड ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. इसलिए मैंने टावर को आधा दिखा दिया, बाकी आधा को मैंने काट दिया. तो हियर टू हियर इट इज 30. दिस इज योर एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. हियर इट इज गिवन the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is 30 degree. So this is given 30 degree and it is asked find the height of the tower. Means ये height हमको चाहिए. ये height चाहिए मतलब in this right angle triangle we need P, we have B. Then what relation? We will take 10. So from the similarly you can write here. No need to naming करना कोई जरूरी भी नहीं. चलो ऐसे ही कर देते हैं. So from the triangle as shown in figure tan 30. Here we will take tan 30 because here perpendicular value we need to find out. Base value is given. P और B को लेकर हमको tan value मिलता है. Tan value of an angle. So tan 30 is equal to P by B. Tan 30 is equal to how much? No, tan 30 value how much? हाँ? अरे वाह देवाशीष तू तो मेरा पूरा ये कर दिया रे, मुझे खुश कर दिया तू पूरा. So tan 30 is equal to 1/√3. P means we want to find out B means 30. Base 30. So that implies P is equal to ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देने के बाद 30/√3. But already I said you √3 is one rational number or irrational number? Irrational number. Already I have said you an irrational number cannot stay at the denominator. Denominator में एक irrational number कभी भी रह नहीं सकता. तो ये इरेशनल को मैंने रेशनल बनाने के लिए मैंने और एक √3 ऊपर में और नीचे में इंटू कर दिया. So ऐसे भी in a fraction, if you will multiply the same number to the denominator and also to numerator, then it will not means put any effect upon the fraction. Yes or no? So here I multiplied root 3 at the denominator and also at the numerator. Now this is equal to 30 root 3 by 3. ये 3 कट गया, cancelled. So 10 root 3. 10 root 3. Again you can simplify. Root 3 means 1.732. So if you multiply, then it is 17.32 meter. So the height of the tower, it is asked what is the height of the tower. So the height of the tower is 17.32 meter. So this height is your 17.32 meter. Okay. So the last question I am doing, okay, only 5 minutes. 5 minutes is there. So मैं last question करता हूँ, फटाफट करता हूँ और तुम लोग पूरा लिख लो. Then I will give you the homeworks from this chapter. Question number 12 of your book. Question number 12 of your book. From the top of a 7 meter high building, चलो बिल्डिंग बना देता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए, सब कुछ पूरा कर दूंगा. ठीक से अगर पढ़ो, मैं बिल्डिंग सब रेडी करके तुम लोग को दे दूंगा. हाँ, एक्चुअली मुझे एक अगर फिगर ठीक नहीं हुआ तो मुझे पढ़ाने का मज़ा भी नहीं आता. हाँ, तो फिगर मुझे पूरा बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक चाहिए. फिगर हुआ तो सब कुछ ठीक है. चलो 3 स्टोरेड बिल्डिंग. संग्राम कौन सा स्टोर लेना चाहते हो? टॉप फ्लोर. हाँ, अच्छा है, अच्छा सीन देख पाओगे तो ठीक है. सो दिस इज द बिल्डिंग. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ ए बिल्डिंग, टॉप ऑफ ए 7 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग, तो ये बिल्डिंग का हाइट है 7 मीटर. 7 मीटर. इसका ऊपर टॉप में एक खड़ा है, संग्राम खड़ा है, कोई भी एक खड़ा है. द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ ए केबल टावर, तो यहाँ एक टावर है, यहाँ एक टावर है ये. सो ये टावर है. सो द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ दिस बिल्डिंग इज top of the cable tower is 60 degrees. So this is your 60 degree. This is your angle of elevation. This is your 60 degree. और क्या दिया है? इसको मैंने पूरा ज्वाइन कर लिया, यहाँ तक ले आया. और क्या दिया है? Now the angle of depression, its foot is 45 degree. Means this one, ये जो, this is the angle of depression. So this angle is your 45 degree. अच्छा, if this is 45, then what is this value? This value is 45 because this line is parallel to this line, no? Ground line. So if that is 45 means this is 45. Question is asked, find the height of the tower. Tower का height, पूरा height, ये जो height कितना है? This height of the tower. Means this height we need to find. This height. तो हाइट ऑफ द टावर मैं दिखा देता हूँ ठीक से. सो दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर. दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर. ठीक है ना. सपोज हियर इट इज ए, दिस इज योर बी, दिस पॉइंट इज योर सी. हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज व्हाट? ए बी. वी नीड टू फाइंड व्हाट इज ए बी. But AB is equal to, I can write AB is equal to AC plus CB. AC plus CB. AC को मैं कौन सा ट्रायंगल में मुझे मिल सकता है AC? Suppose it is P, this is your Q. From which triangle I can get AC? PCA or ACP. So from triangle ACP, अच्छा, this is your 7 given, means what is this length? This is also 7. This is also 7. और क्या दिया है? और कुछ दिया है क्या? From a building as a cable tower is where determine the height of the tower. Okay then, ठीक है. Now first you find what is this PQB triangle from triangle PQB. अच्छा, tan 45 is equal to this by this, yes or no? But this is your 7. tan 45 का value क्या है? 1. So 1 is equal to this by this. That means what is this length? 7. 1 from triangle PQB, tan 45 is equal to PQ by QB, or that implies tan 45 का value है 1. 1 is equal to PQ. PQ means 7 by QB. We want to find out. So I am writing QB. So that is implies QB is also equal to 7 meter. So this is also 7 meter. Now if this is 7 meter, then Sangram, what is this one? 7 meter. If this is 7, that is also 7. Now in this triangle you see ACP triangle. From triangle ACP, this triangle, from triangle ACP, P, tan 60 is equal to P by B. So tan 60 is equal to P means AC, by B means PC. tan 60 value क्या है? Very good. So root 3 is equal to AC. We don't know. We have to find out. By PC, what is the PC value? 7. So that implies AC is equal to 7 root 3, or 7 into root 3 value is 1.732, or that is equal to 7 12.124 meter. So AC is equal to, we got 12.124 meter, or 12.12. Now this is your 7. So therefore AB height of the tower we need to find. So AB is equal to AC means what we got? 12.124. से 4 छोड़ दो, up to 2 decimal places it will be 1 2, और CB का वैल्यू क्या है? 7. So plus 7. So this is equal to 19.12 meter. So it is asked what is the height of the tower? The height of the tower is 19.12 meter. So you see, just I am giving only few questions in this exercise 9.1. Question number 1 to question number 8. Question number 1 to question number 8 in exercise 9.1 is homework for you. In our next class, I will just see your homework, then I will proceed and I will do the rest of the questions. Okay? क्या? ठीक हो ना? Okay then. Thank you very much. See you next class. Bye. Have a great day.